Oh, the man stood downstairs. I'm a splinter in your calloused hand. Floral wallpaper covered names. I'm the front porch that sags the wooden decay. I'm the money you lost in a gambler's pool. I'm at the bottom of a bottle on an old bar stool. Oh, I am the hope you have pushed aside. Any change you could have made your life. Can't you see I ain't so different from you? I'm all the things you're accustomed to. I am the burdens that you just can't bear. From the bears you make sitting here. Cavalier that draws a heavy beat. I'm in the jury when they shake their head and feet. Oh, I am the rumble and I am the roar. I'm the red tap tapping at your front door. When St. Anthony asks what you're looking for, you can tell him you ain't looking around no more. Oh, you ain't looking and you ain't found. As a growing mirror is seeking out. Children's sorrow, I'm the reason Mario won't let go. I am the front porch covered in age. Wouldn't decay. Can't you see I ain't so different from you? I'm all the things you've grown accustomed to. I am the burdens that you just can't bear.